sijawahi ona ndani ya hii katiba yetu where you arrest somebody, an innocent Kenyan, you descend on this innocent Kenyan, munampiga, munamuua. To me is a shocker. And the guy has just come out, just kukojoa, which is a natural act. Ni nani kwani hao walimpiga hawakojoi? Mimi nawauliza. You know, we do certain things which are silly. Hata ukiapia before an intelligent magistrate ama judge, hata kufunga forever. Why would you descend on an innocent Kenyan who is a brilliant economist, business, Harvard trained? Unampiga kinyama, unamuua. Na then guards keep on descending on him. Tena wanamdrag to very far kwa gate, wanamuua. Is it in good manners? So tumesema, wajua mimi naongeanga softly like this, and you guys think this guy is not serious. Tumesema, hawa guards wote washikwe. By tomorrow we want to hear that all these guards wako ndani. Na the owner of this company, Soviet Security, ashikwe pia, the owner, ashikwe. Because, and the family should be enabled to get a lawyer and sue the company for even the damages and the compensation. The owner ashikwe, na mimi nimetoa hiyo order, ashikwe leo, awekwe ndani, andikishe statement, produce wale guards wengine kwenye wako. He is the employer, he has all the details, mpaka village kwenye wanatoka. No game of musical chairs in Pwani. You can't play games with Maro here.